significantly easier.
That actually felt really effortless. Oh, I was...
Isn't it like a miracle?
Yes.
Is it more fun? Is it more fun to play like this?
Got it. Nice job. Thank you. All right. So that was good. So having said that, what do you think? Where was the hitch?
Right along here, because I was like taking my finger up while I played, trying to get to the next thing, which it stopped it from making sound. And for like a measure, it made no sound, and I'm like, retry that.
So then let's try this. Play backwards from here, and I want you to end here. That's what I wanted. We induced a little bit of confusion. Do that again, my friend. Now, do this backwards again, but with a dotted rhythm, please. Da.
From here?
Yes, from the bass note, the F sharp. Da. Now do it short long. Da 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 da. I think it's fixed. Let's double check. Do it again to see if you can do it that well again. Good. And then something like this, where you just kind of start to get it, I would recommend when you warm up, you just play it 2 or 3 times. Then the only other thing I'd say is overall solidity. You'd probably like it to go a little bit faster, and it's a little bit hesitant. You know, we can do the overall, so it's going to turn back on itself. This is what we were talking about triplets. This is not a triplet, but it is in triple time. So anything in a division of 3, the dots will double back on themselves. In other words, it's going to be a dot here, but a reverse here. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. That makes it kind of hard, which is great. That's what we want. So why don't you try that? Notice how focus increased.
Wait. So it's like da, da, da.
Mindset. Mistakes are fine. Good, let's stop there, because once we get this feeling good, the rest will fall into place. Oh, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, take a little break, just a little break, clear your mind just a little bit. The cool thing is you've done enough work to get this into a really good position, because the other thing I'd like to start thinking about are things like that. Do you know what those are?
Decrescendos and crescendos.
Yeah, and I assume you know what those mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. And if you looked at that, maybe as a teacher you'd say, oh, he didn't learn anything, we're going to have to do this a bunch more. I don't care that you didn't get it right. You just learned a ton. Clear your mind for 10 seconds, and then we're going to see. Yeah. Okay, we're going to do just one more. Notice how the other sections that he didn't even work on got better. That's because when you do something that's not the same, but similar, and you work really hard on it, everything similar to that will fall into place. It does. Every gain you make in technique goes all over your music. That's why your instructors want you to play that stuff. Nice job. Thank you. All right.